Why did you push my husband? What did we do?
Which if I hear husband? Nonsense.
Ich weiß auch nicht, was ich machen soll.
You can sneak with the kids out without my father seeing. You can take them to your parents for one day. Let me solve this issue with my father. When he come back to his senses, then the kids can come back.
Yeah, what? Where's your toilet?
On your right when you're going out.
No, you have come. Yes. What? You don't eat another man's cake without sacrificing something.